climb up higher and touch the fire, scrape the sky like a bird on a wire, and run away, run away, run away, got nothing to lose, nothing to lose. No, I won't wait, it's today's the day, I'm on my way. I'm ready now for what may come, I'm ready now to spread my wings and let go. I'm ready to be free and falling, I'm ready to dive into the unknown, 'cause I'm on my way, and I'm ready now, I'm ready now, it's time to let go. I'm ready now to take a chance, and I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. I feel the blood rush through my veins, I can take on the world when you're next to me. I feel so alive.
What's up, everybody? We are in Iceland at Skogafoss, and I probably butchered that pronunciation. Seriously, this is like one of the most beautiful countries I've ever seen. I am not exaggerating when I say there's this massive waterfall like right outside. All right, I gotta show you this. Watch this. I'm gonna get right out of the car and then you're gonna see it. There we are, baby. Oh my gosh.
Taken by the sudden silence, floating through the windows in your eyes. Uncovering the light inside it. Let the moment take us by surprise. 'Cause every breath I take is lucky when I share air with you. Every second lies a lifetime with someone.
Hey, how was your shower?
Yeah, I found my safety. It's you that makes me.
We're headed to Black Sand Beach. It was ranked the 7th best beach in the world. I just saw on the Icelandic news. And here we are. It's so pretty.
Wait! I want to go walk.
Come on, let's go. Yes. So pretty. Wow, they just keep getting bigger. He loves little caves. Bye, Harry. Bye-bye. Gotta love Iceland. It's 11 o'clock at night. We just got out of this foggy cloud at Glacier Lagoon. It's maybe the prettiest thing I've ever seen. Oh, I know, it's so pretty. This is so magical in so many ways. There's a seal! Where? Right there! Are you loving this, Lucy? What do you love about it?
It's ice in Iceland!
Right, we just drove right like a minute away. This is called Diamond Beach because the little pieces of glacier come here on the black sand beach and they look like little diamonds. Look how pretty that is! Look, boys, I've never seen anything like that. They look like diamonds. Look how big some of these are. How did these get up here?
Well, I think it gets high tide.
It must be. No biggie, just a glacier floating with birds on it. Floating out to sea.